A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me.
Hey y'all, I've got a Walmart haul for you today. And I did get a couple things at Aldi. Okay. Let me move some of this stuff. I got 2 packages of this green tea. My husband drinks it like every single day. And he only likes that brand. So went to Aldi and got 2 packs of the green tea. And I also got 3 packs of their corn. Not because it was on my list, but because I love it. It's very good. So we eat whenever they have it on sale. At my Aldi, it was like $1.50 a package. So got some of that. I got some dish soap. We do some hand washing and some dishwasher washing of dishes. So got that. This has got some chicken breast in it. I didn't want to take it out of the bag because it's kind of gross. So we got some chicken breast. I got some peaches. And I got a couple of red tomatoes. I also went to Winn-Dixie too. I got some plums. And I should have separated this, but I didn't, so here we go. I got some green tomatoes from Winn-Dixie. I need those for a recipe. Back to Walmart, I got some low-dose aspirin we needed, some probiotics, some Advil. Needed that. And I got some powders with some water. I got some caramel bits because I gotta have that for a recipe. I also got some Nutty Buddy bars, had lettuce, can of biscuits. I also got another 4-pack of biscuits. I've got to have these for different recipes. I also got these pizzas, they're really good, and a bottle of cooking oil. I also got a pack of this yellow rice because I've got to have it for a recipe as well, and some tater tots, a pound of cheddar, got to have both of those for a recipe, some sour cream for a recipe. These little breakfast biscuit cookie things, my husband eats those for breakfast every morning. Can of chili just cuz. Some filled peas with snaps. That's for a recipe. I got some cheddar soup, some mushroom soup, and some chicken soup. All those are for recipes. And 2 cans of the sausage gravy because those are also for recipes. We got a box of cereal, some yogurt covered raisins. Those are also for my husband, and for my son I had to get some bottled coffee, 5-pound bag of potatoes, some root beer, Diet Coke, 2 gallons of milk. These are my favorite. We got those just because. I got some smoked sausage for a recipe. I got some more sausage for, what did I get this for? Oh yeah, French toast casserole recipe. Some hot dogs. My 14-year-old wants to start making his own cookies, so I said we'll start with this. So he's gonna have some cookies that he's gonna have baking up soon. Did I say 2 gallons of milk? 2 gallons of milk, some kettle chips, corn chips, tortilla chips, and hot dog buns and eggs. So all of this was around $2.50, I would say. And it's only climbing, y'all. It's only climbing. The only reason I had went to Winn-Dixie was because the Walmart didn't have the things I needed. I needed the filled peas with snaps. They didn't have it. And I needed the green tomatoes, and they didn't have that either. So, that's it, y'all, for this week. Hey, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to make something real simple and easy. It is called French bread pizzas. And I've already got my oven preheated, butter melted. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder in this butter. And then we're going to spread it on the bread. My oven is preheated to 450. And we're gonna toast this just a little bit before we add everything to it. Just a little bit of prep beforehand. Don't let these cook for long. They're just literally gonna be in there for about 5 minutes. And then we'll start the rest of the process. Hopefully I've melted enough butter because I'm about to run out. Okay, let's drizzle this and see what happens. There we go. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to stick this in the oven real quick and then we will proceed with the recipe in just a second. Hang on. Okay, y'all. So these are just barely toasted. I didn't want them to get too brown. And then our next little thing that we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle just a little bit of oregano on here. Now I took my little sifter off, so I'm just going to have to sprinkle it by hand so I don't overdo it. So that's what I'm going to do now. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you need to kind of not let it be too much in one spot. This way. Yeah, that's a little better. Alright, so we're going to do some pepperoni and then we're going to do some cheese. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to put a little bit of pizza sauce on everything. And I'm not going to go nuts with that because I don't want it to be too heavy. So we'll put it on here. And we'll kind of spread it out. Just a teeny bit more. Let's see how much we have. Yeah, I'm not gonna overdo. Especially on these smaller, thinner pieces. And I thought this jar would be enough. It's like 24 ounces. So I'm hoping that will be. I'm gonna spread all that out. Spread it. And I bought this bread in the Walmart discounted bakery section. It was only 57 cents a loaf. So yes, you can get the garlic bread that's already, garlic French bread that's in the frozen section if you want to. But I wanted to try to save as much money as possible. Okay, so we're going to do this side pepperoni, this side, well, you know what, this side's going to be supreme, and then the others are going to be pepperoni. Oops. There we go. Some red onion, some mushrooms, red onion. And I have some bell pepper. and some black olives, and some pepperoni, of course. Hopefully I'm doing this right. I've never made these. I will provide a recipe to help guide y'all. And that way you can, that can kind of help steer you in the right direction. And then we're going to have the cheese that hopefully will kind of be the glue. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the pepperoni put on there. Now I found some cheap pepperoni at Aldi. I was able to get 2 packages because it was like $2, I think. And so I'm not going to go nuts with the pepperoni, but I'm just going to make sure we have enough on here. Smooth this in a little bit more. It's a little bit difficult. Okay, here we go. Okay. So it seems like the top piece is a lot more wider, so you can get a lot more on it. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. All right, some black olives. And I just got some sliced black olives and drained those. And I'm just kind of putting them little here, little there. Some here. I'm gonna go ahead and get these pizzas done that are more elaborate. Hopefully this will still work. All right, that's that. Alright, and then we're going to do the other side. We're going to go ahead and get the pepperoni on those, and that way we can do cheese on everything all at once. Let's see. Here, let me go ahead and put the pepperoni on here, and then I'll come back in a second. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to put this in a 450-degree oven. I ended up going with 3 Supreme, 2 pepperoni, and 1 cheese. So I'm going to put these in the oven just until they're hot and bubbly, and everything should be good to go because we went ahead and toasted the bread just a little bit first. Okay, so I'll let you see it as soon as it comes out. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I'm letting the pepperoni stay in just a little bit longer, but did perfect. So I'm going to get to cutting these and putting them on some plates with some salad for everybody, and then we're going to eat. So I'm trying to find more affordable ways on budget to make the foods that my kids love. That way we can still have them. They just cost less. Okay, make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.